It's Friday, January 4th, and your stories today are DX.Exchange tokenizes U.S. stocks, New York forms blockchain task force, and Dublin's light rail hack. Hello world, you're watching The Comment right here on ETHNews. A new cryptocurrency exchange, DX.Exchange, which will open next week, plans to allow investors to trade in major companies such as Facebook and Apple outside of the U.S., even when the stock markets are closed. The European regulated exchange will be open to investors next Monday, but it will also allow users to buy tokenized shares in Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, Tesla, and more tech companies that trade on the Nasdaq stock market. Investors will be able to purchase tokenized shares in fiat or cryptocurrency, and the shares will be represented by an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. So what does that all mean? Well, if you're interested in buying stock in, say, Netflix, you would just purchase the token via the DX.Exchange. MPS Marketplace Securities, who has partnered with DX.Exchange, would then buy the corresponding Netflix stock and issue you an ERC20 token. According to the company's press release, quote, "Digital stocks are backed one-to-one to real-world stocks traded on conventional stock exchanges. You purchase tokens for leading assets that you choose to invest in, such as Google, Amazon, etc. Therefore, when you are a token holder, you own shares of the company." Unquote. It's also important to note that token holders are entitled to the same cash dividends as fiat shareholders. Purchasing a tokenized share means that you don't have to buy one whole share of the stock at its traded value. You can purchase a third of the share via the tokenized platform. Also, you can buy shares with crypto, so there's that. The state of New York is launching a cryptocurrency task force. The task force will focus on helping the state understand blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. The bill to create the task force was signed last month by Governor Andrew Cuomo, but a press release was issued on Wednesday by the bill's sponsor, Assemblyman Clyde Vannell, to inform the public of the task force's agenda. The group will be composed of consumers, academics, and technology experts appointed by Cuomo and the state Senate and Assembly. The board will be expected to submit reports by December 15th of 2020. The reports are expected to include proposals on how the state of New York may best regulate, define, or utilize cryptocurrencies, and how much energy it costs to mine, how crypto is being traded within the state, maybe even reevaluating the state's current bit license law, which was introduced 4 years ago. LUAS, the website for Dublin's light rail system, has been hacked and is not currently operational. The website went down yesterday after a hacker took over and demanded to be paid 1 Bitcoin in 5 days, or the hacker would release privileged data that they claim to have obtained. The hacker wrote a message to LUAS saying, quote, "You are hacked. Some time ago, I wrote that you have serious security holes. You didn't reply. The next time someone talks to you, press the reply button. You must pay 1 Bitcoin in 5 days. Otherwise, I will publish all data and send emails to your users." Unquote. At the bottom of the message was a Bitcoin address, which is where the hacker wants his ransom Bitcoin sent to. It's unclear what personal information, if any, that the hacker has obtained. The LUAS website seems to be mostly just informational. LUAS's payment website has not been affected, but via a Twitter post, the company still urged its users to avoid its website. And that's my comment for the day. It's time to tell me yours. Will you be purchasing tokenized stocks? Will the New York Crypto Task Force suggest changing the bit license law? And what will hackers attack next? The Parks and Rec in some small town, perhaps? No one is safe. Let me know what you think. Find us on social media. Have a wonderful day. And as always, don't forget to leave a comment. Join me back here on The Comment to hear my take on the day's top crypto and blockchain stories. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Like this video and share it with your friends on social media. To make sure you get all the newest episodes, click on the alert button. That's that bell-looking button by the word subscribe. Follow me on social media at ETHNewsy. That's at ETHNewsSy. And I will see you next time.